I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. We all have yearned, dreamt of soaring in the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane, though this is no guise. The flight of a bird is quite mesmerizing and graceful. It navigates the terrain, whether it rains or the sounds of our existence causes its pain. It soars effortlessly, seeking endlessly for the fruits of its spoil, without shame or like the games people play, hoarding, playing keep away. It remains diligent, constantly seeking its prey. While we watch and gaze, we need not be amazed, because this bird epitomizes the true essence of life, and to our delight, we pray.